Every power system hides its flaws. Some announce their failure loudly. Others remain silent, posing a bigger threat. Today, we hunt for an invisible fault in a crucial power corridor. At 4:17 a.m., a voltage disturbance appears. It's slight but alarming. Operators know this grid inside out. A warning has been issued. Our quest begins in the Sahel heat. The fault waits along a 60-kilometer high voltage line. It crosses deserts and farmlands. Finding it is like searching for a needle in a haystack. We launch a drone into the sky. It scans lines that humans can't reach. The drone reads temperature and stress. It's our aerial scout today. 20 minutes in, the drone spots a tower vibrating oddly. Not enough to fail but enough to arouse suspicion. Our team moves fast. A dust storm looms as we reach the tower. Engineers search for answers. At the base, they find a loose cross-arm bolt. It's minor, but small failures can lead to disasters. But the bolt isn't the core issue. It's just a symptom. We deploy ultrasonic sensors to scan for hidden fractures. Suddenly, a faint echo emerges. A micro crack lies inside the tower leg. Invisible yet deadly to the grid. Thermal imaging reveals more. The crack expands under electricity's load. If ignored, it could collapse the tower, plunging districts into darkness. With the dust storm closing in, the team rushes to stabilize. Temporary clamps hold, load shifts, and reinforcements secure. As the storm strikes, the final clamp clicks into place. The tower stands strong. Our invisible failure is contained today. But this is just one battle in an ongoing war. In our next episode, we explore solar fields, where heat and time test renewables. This is the Unstopped Tech Vlog. The grid never sleeps, and neither do we.